Hello?
Samantha?
Yeah?
Hey, do you want to go to HUSA's Hmong New Year?
Yeah, let's do it.
I have gold with me. We'll meet you up there, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Samantha, are you there?
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, I think I see you too. Let's meet up at the green booth right there.
Okay, bye.
顺利哇，准备正式 start 啊，对了，就这样，不能不是，我发成了高了，我过来了。
It's a beautiful day in the village. The birds are chirping, the sun is rising, and people are getting ready for the new year. Today, Jenda is up extra early. She's excited for the end of the harvest season because it means she will be celebrating the Hmong New Year. Oh look, Jenda has decided to show us her outfit before she heads off to go pick corn. Jinda is wearing Hmong Tsai, a traditional Hmong striped outfit. Looking at her sleeves, you can see that she has bright green stripes, hence the name of the outfit. She is also wearing a matching coin slash, worn to make the outfit pop more, but the outfit isn't complete without a traditional Hmong necklace called a sal.
Oh no, it looks like Jenna is running out of time. Luckily, she spotted her older brother, G. G is such a great brother for helping her pick corn. G is also wearing a traditional Hmong green outfit. The stylist clothing consists of a vest with a metallic flower design. To complete the outfit, a red pink sash, money bags, and a traditional Hmong necklace is added. G finishes and heads back with a basket full of corn. But wait, here's someone playing the flutes.
Oh hey, it's Jigang! Jigang is wearing Hmong Da, a Hmong white outfit. He's wearing a simple and plain black shirt with blue sleeves paired with black pants. To add to the traditional wear, he ties a red or pink slash to symbolize that he's Hmong white. To complete the simple outfit, Jigang tops it off with a traditional silver Hmong necklace. As he continues to play his flute, he spots a beautiful girl.
Ask her for her name and she tells him her name is Lisa. You wonder where she's going in such a stunning outfit. Lisa is wearing a Chinese outfit which can be found in many different styles. Notice how the t-shirt is buttoned across the chest and not straight down. It is still considered Hmong clothing but was adapted into the Chinese style. Look, Lisa has spotted her friend Anna. I wonder if they're planning to go to the Hmong New Year. Anna is wearing a purple tie outfit, which has intricate patterns on skirt and sash. Tie clothing can vary with patterns and colors. The Hmong culture has adopted many fashions and styles from neighboring countries like Thailand and Laos. Can you hear that? I think an airplane just landed. Oh, look, who do we have here? Why, visiting Anthony, visiting from the United States.
Anthony is trending in modern Hmong outfit. He integrates the Hmong traditional wear with a suit. He has incorporated a red or pink slash and a Hmong necklace to complement his suit. Doesn't he look handsome? Anthony sees the village and they're all ball tossing. Oh look, why isn't it Jenda, Chikang, Lisa, and Anna?
Where could they be going?
I bet you anything, they're going to be going to
HUSA's Hmong New